Good morning students, Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session, we have done a lab activity. In that lab activity, we have learned how to create a new master slide. With the help of master slide, we have learned how to create a new layout. In this session, we are doing one more lab activity, that is from your book page number 44 and 45. In that we will learn how to apply the animation effect, adding transition, inserting sound clips and action button. Animation, the ability to move objects and text in all the directions of a slide, is called animation. You can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects including movement. Animation is very helpful when you wish to focus on important points. It also controls the order of flow of information and helps to increase the audience interest. Now next, how to add a transition effect. So transition are used to add visual effects to the slides. Here transition effects are the moment to see when one slide changes to another in a slideshow view. The same thing, how to insert a sound clips. So you can add sound in the form of music or special effects to the importance to certain points. Okay, and music or sound can be added from the file saved on your computer, or you can take the sound from internet or CD, right, or your external drive. The same thing now video clips. Okay, so video clips are add liveliness to the presentation. So we will start with lab activity, and that open Microsoft PowerPoint, and we will create animation, transition effects and animation effects in this slide. Click on Office button, New, blank presentation, and that here PowerPoint application, and we are going to select title and content slide. Okay, this is the slide, title and content slide. In that we will write first as per your lab activity. So in the first, click to add title, there we will write a keys. Okay, and the second, click to add subtitle, there we are going to write to prosperity and success. So keys, and take the left side, the text should be left side, and again here we will write to prosperity and success. So we will type what are the keys to prosperity and success. So we will write some points and apply formatting, that is you can change the font size, font color, background color. So that is known as formatting. So increase the font size first. You can increase the size of the text box, right, and you can increase the size of the text by using that A tag, increase that, right, increase font. Okay, the one more A, you can say A, you can see that is a decrease font size. Okay, or you can use in the font group in the number, right, and the font style and font case. So this is the first. Okay, you can adjust your screen with the help of the dragging. Okay, so this is the first slide. Now in the second slide, okay, you will change the color of the text. Color of the text, we will take a different color. Okay, then keys also we will change. Okay, now we will insert a one more slide. One more slide, that is a same slide, but we are going to write some points. Okay. We will go to the design and theme first. We can apply a design and theme. Okay. You can select a design tab, and the theme group you can select any one theme. Okay. So, keys to prosperity and success. Now, the same thing, we will insert the one more slide and we are going to write what are the keys. So, insert, click on the insert tab. Okay, click on insert and new slide, and that new slide, one more slide, that is title only. We will take one more slide, that is title only. Okay. Okay. So, in the click to add title, there we are going to write keys are, okay, I have written in the small letters, but here capital letter should be there. So, how will you do the capital letters? Select the letter, words, and can you see this uppercase? Okay. No need to delete, you can do with the help of that uppercase. Now, we will take one more text box and we will insert the text box, because here now I want to write a points bullets list. Okay. Change the color of the bullet list also, bullets list, and I have written here already, typed some points. I will do copy paste. Okay. But you have to type. So, I will do here I have written already. So, I will do the Control C and Control V. Control C is for copy and a Control V is for paste. Okay, we will increase the font size. The first point is live fully, not foolishly. Second one is honesty and patience. The third one is handling tension and worries. The fourth point is discipline, and the fifth point is do what you love and love what you do. These are the 5 points for your success, right, to prosperity and success. The first, now we will do one thing. Now we will take one by one points and we will learn how to give a custom animation and transition effects to the particular slide. So, the first of all, okay, we will adjust the text here. Okay, these are the 5 points. Okay, the 5 points are written in with the help of bullets list. Now, we will take the first slide, and first slide we will give the transition effects to the slide. The first slide is what? Keys to prosperity and success. Now, select the keys word, click on the animation. Can you see that transition animation, transition effect? Yes, you give the transition effect to the slide now. Select any one from your slide. Okay. Okay. Now, select to prosperity and success. So, remember the transitions are used to add visual effects to the slide. Okay. So, you can apply transition effects to all the slides or a single slide. Yes, single slide also. Okay. So, what are the steps? Animation and select the custom animation from transition to the slide. You can give a different animation. Now, go to the next slide. Okay. Use tab key. Okay. Click on the mouse button. So, can you see now here first slide? Okay. Transition sound is there. Can you see the sound? The different types of sound is there. You can apply the sound. Okay. You can apply the sound, and transition speed, fast, medium and slow. Okay. I will take as a medium here. Okay. Then you can see in the right side, okay, mouse click, and automatically after, okay, after here you can see a timings are there, right. You can click on mouse, that means you have to click the mouse, otherwise you no need to use mouse, just put the second or, okay, second you can put 1 second, 2 second or 1 minute, 2 minutes you can, okay, to apply to the particular slide. Is it clear, children? Okay. Okay, now we will go to the next slide. Here we will put animation. Okay, not transition effect, animation effect. So, animation effect means what? The ability to move object and text in all directions of the slide is called animation. Before that, you have to select animation tab. In that custom animation, add effects. Here can you see the different effects are there, right? Emphasis, exit, entrance. Say take any one effects, that is a custom animation, and play. Click on the play, you can see, okay, this is growing and shrinking. Okay, the animation name is growing and shrinking. Okay, you can use the, here different options are there, that also you can use the options, see here. Okay, now next, one more, honesty and patience. One more points you will select and you will enter a one more animation, that is flicker. Can you see this in your book? It is given a flicker, use a flicker. So, see here, that is the first one, shrinking and growing, and the second one is flicker. So, flicking the text. Can you see this? I will delete the first one. Okay, how to remove the custom animation? Select the first one. See, number has given here 1, 2, right? Select number 1 and remove, so that you can remove the custom animation. So, now see, deleted, right? The first one is deleted. Now, see flicker. Can you see this a flicker? Yes, that is flicker. Okay. Now, do the third one also, the handling tension and worries. Okay. Now, take the again add effects and exit, and I am taking a diamond. Now, play and see. If you are not like that animation, just remove. Click on the remove. You can do the medium, slow and fast also. Okay, see here. Okay, now the next one, one more we will do, the discipline. Okay, we will take the different one now. For the motion path we will take. The last class we have already learned, right? So, in the motion here, different here, okay, we will take now. So, that is bouncing, the right, bouncing. So, can you see that now the text, how it displays? So, number second, third, this is the fourth one, see. Okay. So, you can give a different animation in your slide, right, children? Okay. So, can you see in the right side in custom animation task pane, that is a number 0, 1, 2, 3, right? That indicates the animation order. It indicates the animation order. And can you see the mouse button there? Okay, this way you can, right? That's fourth one. Now, see going up, right? Okay. So, can you see the mouse button there? A mouse icon means that the applied effect starts a mouse click. Okay. And the star symbol, can you see the star symbol there? Star symbol indicates the type of effect used in a slide. Now, you want to remove, just one by one click and remove the animation over there. Then you can apply a different animation in your slide. Yes, children. Now, here clear transition and animation. Okay. Now, play and you can see your animation. Okay. Now, all of you know how to inserting sound clips also. Okay. Now, how can you insert a sound in your presentation? Movie, click on movie, okay, movie, and you can select the movie from clip organizer. In your, suppose in your PC some movies are there, or you can create a movie and you put it in the video library and you can insert a movie in your presentation. Yes, children. Okay, now next we will learn the hyperlink, how to put a hyperlink in your slide. So, can you see here? So, hyperlink, for hyperlink, what is the hyperlink here? So, hyperlink means what? hyper action button. Okay, that is the action button. Now we are putting the action button is a ready-made button. Okay, so for using hyperlink we are using the action button. So here in the action button and right click and the hyperlink, you can see the existing file or one more file. Okay, existing file, or you can say current folder, or place in the document. Place in the documents means in the one document. See here at present we are in one slide, right? So here can you see computer, Microsoft slide 3, slide 4, slide. Okay, you want to jump from one slide to another. So you will use a hyperlink. The same thing with the help of hyperlink, you can go to one particular presentation to another presentation. Right click, action button, first you take the insert and the shape, and right now go to the slide number 4. Now we are in the slide number 1. Now we want to go to slide number 4. Okay, you can change the action button color, okay, that particular picture, right, in here shapes. Okay, now here write down, go to a slide number 4, which is the slide number 4 here. Can you see that is lab activity. Now when I'll go to a click here in the view menu, okay, and click, okay, with the help of hyperlink, now you see slideshow, but you have to go to the slideshow, click there with the hyperlink. With the help of hyperlink, directly you will go to which slide? 4th slide. Yes children, okay, understood all of you? Yes children, now we will link the page with the help of action button and the hyperlink. We will link the page some other page, okay, not a particular slide. Okay, we will link, we will open with the help of hyperlink, we will open another PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now in the we are in the first slide. Take the shape and for action button, take action button once, okay, and okay, you write here, go to the next page or go to the previous page or go to a next. Okay, now we will open with the help of hyperlink, we will open a lab activity 3. Okay, at present we are doing lab activity 4, right? So in my computer the file is there, right, lab activity 3. So now can you see this current folder and existing file or web page, and the file name is revision, file name is revision here 3. Okay, so I will select the file from your computer which you want to do a hyperlink. So I will do revision, okay, 2, revision 2, right? Now I will go to the here, oh, okay. So now click on the view and slideshow and from current side or from beginning. I have done in the first page, so do the beginning. See here, double click on that. So you will see here when you click, this is the entire new see here, this is the new PPT presentation. Understood children? With the help of hyperlink, you can open any page. Okay, not only slide. Okay, you can jump from one slide to another slide, and you can jump from one file to another. Yes children, in this session we have learned hyperlink, action button and transition effects, and how to give an animation to the particular slide. We will stop this session. Sai Ram.